Alright, here we are down in the basement. Just finished CNCing this mill here. The Precision Matthews PM25MV. It's a good little manual mill. Very, very accurate for the way it's made. Good for the money. Just finished truing up this whole entire machine because we have got some motors hooked up to it. X, Y, Z. NEMA 34 on top on the Z axis, and then we got some NEMA 23s on the X and Y. Just going to do a fast demonstration here. Go ahead and do X first. Mach 3 has a system set up to where you can program the backlash. All you gotta do is just take your little indicator here and measure how many steps back before the needle moves again, and that should be roughly your backlash. Let's do the Z. That NEMA 34 can really handle that Z axis. There's the machine. We got Mach 3 on the computer. Got all the drivers setting out right now. We have a very sketchy setup for right now, but that's just temporary. Yeah, very stable. But it works. It's awesome.